3, 2, 1.
Who ejected an invitation by the Hongwu Emperor? The answer is B. Rolf Dorge. Where did Anwar al-Sadat make a trip to? The answer is B. Israel. In which European capital city are the headquarters of Greenpeace? The answer is A. Amsterdam. In the US, what does cultural studies focus largely on in this field? The answer is A. Popular culture. Buy fresh ice cream container. How would you do this? The answer is A. Press down on bottom to see if it stays solid. What type of arrangements restrict British and Irish voting rights? The answer is C. Reciprocal. What department did the aeronautic branch create? The answer is C. Department of Commerce. After feeling guilty for helping make an atomic bomb, Feynman went through a mental disorder. The answer is A. Depression. Who was assassinated on 2 March 2009? The answer is D. Vieira. What city was a center of glass production for the Romans? The answer is D. Trier. What will Boeing downgrade? The answer is C. The Chinooks. During the 2006 FIFA World Cup, fans at one of the games were displaying a logo of a beer which differed from the official sponsors of the cup, which led to what? The answer is A. They had their trousers confiscated. Which puppet hero is described as indestructible? The answer is B. Captain Scarlet. What book has been recognized as authoritative since the 1600s? The answer is B. Book of Concord. How long does it take to register a business in Guinea-Bissau? The answer is D. 233 days, or about 33 weeks. Which would be considered an inexhaustible resource? The answer is C. Sunlight. When did the residents of St. Bart's file for separation from Guadeloupe? The answer is B. 2003. In 1988, what was marketed as the game for your whole brain? The answer is C. Cranium. Aristotle thought what would fill any rarity that might give rise to a void? The answer is D. Denser surrounding material continuum. Which diesel-powered passenger train is served at the Jacksonville Amtrak station in Jacksonville, Florida alongside the Silver Star? The answer is D. Silver Meteor. What name was given to the loyal refugees that settled in Ontario after the American War of Independence? The answer is C. United Empire Loyalists. What cameras have speeds above what they are marketed as? The answer is C. Ilford Delta 3200 and Kodak TMAXP 3200. What is the source of energy for life on Earth? The answer is C. Astral star. A tiding or tittering is the collective noun for which type of birds? The answer is A. Magpies. What happened in sex ed class that was being videotaped and goes viral? The answer is A. Stan and Mike's fight. Who was born first, Ion Kringa or Ion Luca Caragiale? The answer is D. Ion Kringa. Which cartoon character made his screen debut in 1940 in the animated short film A Wild Hare? The answer is A. Bugs Bunny. How do you start a Subway order? How would you do this? The answer is A. Tell them what type of drink you want. Who invented over 1,700 common words including assassination, bedazzled, and eyeball? The answer is C. William Shakespeare. In music, what note is a tone above B? The answer is A. C hash. When did new cases of TB infection start going down? The answer is A. 2002. What form is the input of illogical database design? The answer is B. Schema. Where did the 1970 FIFA World Cup take place? The answer is D. Mexico. How many clubs were in the first football league? The answer is D. 12. What does ASAT stand for? The answer is D. One station unit training. Which of Ojo's helpers contributes to the antidote by giving part of himself? The answer is C. The woozy. What is the process of small molecules passing through the plasma membrane called?
The answer is B. Diffusion.
What often receives coverage in the local media? The answer is C. Criticism of the regime. Who rejected the La conquista della Spagna di Sapini Africano il Giavance? The answer is D. Antonio Maria Bononcini. Where may the woman be taking the dog to? The answer is D. To the vet. Which cardinal gave Hampton Court Palace to King Henry Roman VIII? The answer is A. Cardinal Wolsey. In which layer of Earth's atmosphere does weather occur? The answer is D. Troposphere. In which part of the human body do red blood cells develop? The answer is C. Bone marrow. What percentage of Liberians live in poverty? The answer is A. 85%. When was the first Namibian newspaper founded? The answer is D. 1898. Why does the narrator likely have a red face? The answer is D. They were heard giving a cat call. What provides chances for comparative study with a large range of subjects? The answer is D. Buddhism. How many French language stations does the city have? The answer is A. 2. Who was the founder of the Roman Republic? The answer is B. L. Junius Brutus. What are higher doses of anti-inflammatory drugs used with?